Hello, it's Paul here. I want to say thank you for being on my training courses, my Zoho training courses. And I want to ask you a favour. Can you please leave a review of my Zoho CRM or Zoho One or whatever Zoho training I'm doing for you on this YouTube video, in the comments to this YouTube video. I just want to give a cheeky nudge to Zoho to let them know just how many people I'm actually helping. Currently in my training, which is 100% free. It doesn't say free because I'm logged in, but I don't charge anybody for my training. Everybody's welcome. And currently there are 862 people, students, logged in and signed into my training. It is February the 5th, 2020. Obviously, within the training, there's also the forum. There's a free forum where we're trying to answer every Zoho question. We're trying to put together new training all the time. I'm trying to get out of you what you need, and then I try and put it together. And then on my Paul Nicholson Introducing channel, I have 109 Zoho videos, and on my training channel, another 67. So what's that? 175 Zoho videos. I don't know if what I want to do is get a little bit more, not weight, but a little bit more support from Zoho. Maybe somebody on their support staff can come in and start answering Zoho questions for me in the forum once they work out just how many people I'm helping. So a review telling them how I've helped would be great. Zoho have never retweeted anything I've done, never invited me to an event that they're hosting. Not that I really want to go to events or anything, but I'm just seeing that other people that maybe look a bit more professional, maybe look a bit more business-like, have got maybe more subscribers. Not in one case. One person's got a lot less, doesn't reply to comments, and seems to be getting invited to everything and get retweeted stuff. And then there's another one that's getting a lot of retweets and 200,000 subscribers, though. That's why, right? So I'd really like it if you can tell the truth. If it's rubbish and you don't like it, just tell me in the review, in the comment that you don't like it, or tell me how I've helped. Tell me anything that I do well, and if I can improve stuff, tell me too. I just wanted to do a video because I sense kickback from Zoho on me all the time, and I just want to show them in a little strange way that I help more people than they probably realise. So yeah, please just leave a review. Thank you. And if you need anything from me, I'm here. Look, I'm not online at the minute, but just send me a message or contact me. There's contact buttons on the website. Contact support@paulnicholson.com, and I will try to help you as best I can. Thank you.